Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to edit videos together using Capcut. Whether you're looking to combine clips, add transitions or sync everything to music, Capcut make it simple and fun. Let's dive in. The first step is to import your clips. Open the Capcut app and create a new project. You can select multiple videos or pictures from your gallery. Then you tap on Add to import the video clip or pictures you want to edit together. The next step is to arrange the clips in the order you want them. To do this, you can tap on the clip you want to move and drag it to any position you want it to be. To adjust the length of the video, just tap on the clip and drag the edge to trim or use the split tool to cut parts out. To make your videos flow smoothly, add transition between clips. Tap the small white box between clips and choose the transition style. Capcut has plenty of options from simple fades to more dynamic effects. Another step is to add music and sync. Do you want to make it more engaging? Add music to it. Go to the audio and select a track. You can adjust the length of the music or sync it with your clip for a professional touch. The last step is to export and share. Once you are happy with your edit, tap Export at the top right and choose your resolution. Capcut will save it to your gallery and you are ready to share. And that's it guys, with just a few steps, you've created a seamless video edit using Capcut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye!